Losing some extra pounds is not everyone's cup of tea. Obvious reasons are taking in more calories or reducing the amount of physical activities in your life. However, some people seem to gain weight even when their eating and exercising habits are in control. This could be because of some natural causes or could be a sign of some underlying health condition. Let's have an insight on the possible causes of unexplained weight gain on Impulse and Insight. Not sleeping enough. Research shows that lack of sleep can lead to weight gain. This is because inadequate sleep messes with the hunger regulating hormones. Sleep deprived people have higher levels of ghrelin, a hormone that signals your body it's time to eat, and lower levels of leptin, a hormone that makes you feel full, whose end result is gaining weight. In a study by the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, it was found that people who had at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep consumed lesser amount of sugar throughout the day. So sleep well to maintain a healthy weight. Hypothyroidism. Lack of thyroid hormone in your body can cause weight gain, along with other symptoms like fatigue, feeling cold, drier skin, and thin hair. If you experience these symptoms, consult your doctor and check your hormone levels. Stress. When stressed, God has engineered cortisol levels to rise up in our body, which increases our appetite. Added to this, a majority of us tend to find food as a coping mechanism. This may explain why the scale has soared. Find ways to relax and get help if needed. If you are an emotional eater, diverge into other healthier distractions like going for a walk, exercising, or having a soothing bath. Medications. Some medications may have weight gain as a side effect. These include drugs prescribed for diabetes, seizures, high blood pressure, depression, and steroids. Talk to your doctor if you are experiencing weight gain as a side effect. Your doctor may be able to switch you to a different drug. It is essential not to stop taking a medicine without discussing it with your doctor first. Fluid retention. Fluid retention can cause you to gain weight as parts of your body become accumulated with fluid. It may be due to natural reasons like standing too long or menstruation, which are reversible, or due to an underlying illness like heart disease, kidney disease, cirrhosis, etc. Talk to your doctor to rule out the odds. Aging. As we age, we tend to lose muscle mass and decrease metabolism. Women especially experience menopause, which results in decreased estrogen levels. All of these contributing to gaining weight. Polycystic ovary disease. This is a common condition where there exists small cysts in the ovary, resulting in an imbalance of hormone levels leading to weight gain, especially in the abdominal area. Consult your doctor who will help you manage your condition. In short, diet and exercise aren't the only factors that affect the number on the scale. There are many other factors and diseases which may alter your physiology. Be aware and consult your doctor to determine any underlying condition. Stay healthy.